It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday morning, December 17th. I'm James Spann. Rain will be ending this morning. The sun comes back this afternoon. Colder for the weekend. It's going to feel like Christmas for a change, but next week things get unsettled and maybe some severe weather right before Christmas. So many things on the board. Let's take a look. The trough that brought the rain last night is progressive, moving on to the east. So again, we'll see drier air with a clearing sky later today. But as the day begins, early this morning, this was at 5:11, we still had quite a few showers across the state. No severe weather overnight. And again, that will be ending from east to west this morning. And we also note there's a bit of a fog problem. That is a dense fog advisory to start the day for places like Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, Tuscaloosa. Fog should dissipate by mid-morning. Temperatures to start the day are mostly in the 50s, although it's 49 at Fort Payne, back behind that surface front, 45 at Tupelo, Birmingham at 60. We'll kind of drop into the 50s and stay there most all day today. And around the nation, it's so cold in the west. You know, while we've had this warm weather, it's anomalously cold there, and we're going to catch some of that in coming days. Well, we're pretty close to freezing tomorrow morning. We should go below freezing by both Saturday and Sunday morning. On the watch warning map, things are quiet over the east. Winter storm warnings for parts of Washington State and Oregon and Idaho. This is the rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. The bigger numbers over southwest Alabama amounts up this way, about 1/2 to 1 inch. And again, we'll start the next batch of showers early next week on Monday. And beyond that, things get somewhat unsettled and probably stormy by Tuesday, Wednesday, and maybe Christmas Eve. Hey, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 06E run, valid today at noon. There's your trough to the west, but it's moving on. 11 o'clock off the HER model. Showers are exiting the state, maybe some lingering rain for Auburn, Opelika, Phoenix City, Eufaula, but the rest of the state should be dry by then. That's the synoptic look. You can see that nice cooler air mass dropping in. And again, we'll stay in the 50s all day today. Tomorrow morning, both the NAM and the GFS start us off at 33. And the high at 50. Sunny, breezy at times, good north breeze. And again, compared to this recent warmth, that's going to feel pretty chilly, but at least the sun will be out all day. And Saturday at 1,034 millibar highs, almost right on top of us. So we'll be in the upper 20s and low 30s as the day begins. And the high Saturday should be in the middle 50s. Bright sunny weather, light wind. Sunday morning, again, will be cold with readings around freezing. The high Sunday in the upper 50s. Some spots may be touching 60, and again, the sky will stay sunny. All right, Christmas fans, here we go. This is Monday of Christmas week. Moisture starts to come back. A chance of showers. It's not a big rain event, just a few passing showers possible during the day. And we rise up into the 60s, the high 64. Same thing Tuesday. You know, no severe weather. Clouds, a few showers during the day, occasional showers. The GFS is showing a high of 62 for Birmingham. Snow from Denver up to Spokane. This is Wednesday of next week. The big trough in the west and central states kind of goes negative tilt, and a surface low is near Oklahoma City. And again, the Gulf is wide open, and that suggests a good chance of showers and thunderstorms. This is Wednesday night of next week. Surface low is between Chicago and Minneapolis-St. Paul, and again, a very soupy air mass with showers and storms. And you see the air becomes unstable all the way up to Indianapolis. And we're just going to have to monitor for signs of severe weather. And this is Thursday, December 24th, Christmas Eve, suggesting some drier air tries to work in here. And again, there is no way 6-7 days in advance you can resolve this. We'll just say there seems to be the possibility of strong to severe storms. And by the time we get to Sunday, late this weekend, we can start to, get a pretty good grasp on what might happen here. But just potential for strong to severe storms right before Christmas. This is a look at the instability coming off the GFS Christmas Eve. And look at the European. It's got a very unstable air mass all across the Gulf Coast states. Christmas Day, the GFS wants to dry us out. Brings in a drier air mass. It's a 1030 high, and that's not Arctic air. It's more Pacific in origin, but still that might knock us down a little bit for Christmas Day. If this verifies, and again, the European doesn't exactly look like this, so we're not totally convinced of this, but that's what the GFS has been advertising, and it's been fairly consistent, and the Christmas Day would be sunny and pleasant. And then the next day, this is Friday, December 26th. Goodness, that's a big old nasty-looking blizzard for the Dakotas, and moisture comes right back for us with a chance of showers. Here's a look at the snow cover Christmas morning off the GFS. Snow north of a line from Green Bay to Denver, down to Albuquerque. The east, obviously, is snowless. And temperatures for the next 15 days, there's that nice weekend cool down. But don't get used to it. The El Nino blowtorch comes right back. And in fact, the ensembles here are printing 73 for Christmas Eve. And again, that's one of the reasons we're a bit concerned about maybe some severe weather in there. And then temperatures back off toward the end of the month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on the live stream or television, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.